In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use an EBT card on Doordash. Now, the first step is going to be to open the Doordash application. Now, once we have the app open, we're going to click on Me in the bottom right corner. Here, we need to select Settings, and you will see an option for payment here in the second slot. So just click on Payment. Right here, you can see program cards. Benefits can be applied at eligible stores. So you have Snap/EBT card. Just click on it and it's going to ask you for the EBT card number. It's going to follow this. And Snap orders, you can see if an item is Snap eligible on its details section after you add your card. Fees and Dasher tips must be paid with another payment method. So here you will type out your EBT card information, and that's how you add an EBT card to Doordash. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.